If you want to view, export, or use your contacts from Yahoo Mail on your phone, the app makes it easy to access them. But you can also access them through the website, which is mail.yahoo.com. So go ahead, open your mail application or the website, log into your account. If you're using the app, go ahead, tap on your profile picture icon in the top right corner of your screen, and there you will see the contact option from the drop down menu, and you will see all of your saved Yahoo contacts. But if you're using the website version, you will see the contacts in the right hand side of the screen, that is between the inbox, list, and calendar. So go ahead, tap on contacts. Here you will see the list of all of your saved Yahoo contacts. You can tap on them and then view their details, such as their email, their phone number, and you can also view the email history. If you tap on the three dots in the top right corner of that contact, you can go ahead, edit this contact or delete this contact as well. And you can tap on add a new contact in the bottom to go ahead and add a new contact of Yahoo. Now to export the contacts and send them to another account or device, you will need to use Yahoo Mail on a web browser. Click on the three dots from the list of the contact, and there you will see the option of export to CSV file. Go ahead and tap on that, and you can choose a format. Contacts added on the app will automatically sync to your Yahoo account, so you can access them on the web too. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.